What's up, NateVlog here. Good morning. So today we're going to try another miso soup. Here it is. Miko brand instant miso soup since 1662. Wow, that is old. It's been around for a long time, yeah? Anyways, so there's 8 in here and it's tofu version. Tofu is extremely healthy. I mean, look at this. You got seaweed, tofu, miso, what is that, chives in there? Yeah, this is some healthy stuff, all right? So very nutritional. And also we learned that miso soup is for breakfast. So yeah, finally we're doing something right here. All right, anyways, let's get to the kitchen and boil some water. All right, come on everybody. All right, here we go. Now we just wait. Hold on. Looks like it's ready. All right, grab this, let's go. Here we go, we got our geisha cup here. Look how sexy she is. Yeah, nice. Authentic. Kawaii. Alright, let's get this open. So what do we have here? We got garnished tofu, and here's all the miso. So we just need one. Take this. And take one of these. Okay, put all this back. Organize. Okay, well, get this one open. There we go, it's easy. Oh, healthy. Alright, next. This one. Let's see, where do we tear it open from? I think this side. What does this say, huh? What does this say? Gosh, focus. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea what that says. Here we go. Miso in there. Look at that. Yeesh. Wow. So that's what miso looks like. Oh god, did I get that on my shirt? No, got a white shirt here. Please don't ruin that, alright? Okay, now, last step. Pour the water in. Oh, it's hot, boiling. Yep, should have known. Okay, what am I thinking? So, we have our spoon. Let's just stir this. Got some floaters on top here. Oh, that's the miso. Oh, I can't even see it. Oh, it's too hot to pick up. Hold on, let's try something here. Oh, look at this angle. There we go. Now you can see it. So yeah, see what I mean? Floating. But I think the seaweed's at the bottom. Yeah, see that? That's all seaweed right there. I guess it's too heavy. Healthy. So all we need to do now is just wait because it's way too hot. But I heard if you put a metal spoon inside, it will cool it down. Is that true? Like, it would go by faster? I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, let's get those thumbnails in, yeah? So, yeah, since I can't pick it up, I guess I'll just, bend down. We got the phone here. Wow, this is so interesting. Yeah, no, I don't know. All right, we'll see you. Hold on, just wait. Okay, here we go. Oh, we can pick it up. Oh, wait, no, we can't. It's too hot. All right, let's just sip it. It's warm, but I guess the outer's just, yeah, way too hot still. Let's try some seaweed. This is the healthiness right here. Crunchy. %50 sea, 50% weed. Yeah. If you know, you know. It's pretty good though. Pretty tasty. Let's try some tofu. Yeah. No flavor really, but yeah. Alright. I think it's still way too hot. It takes such a long time. Arigatou gozaimasu. A lot of crunch right there. Alright, let's just pick it up and start drinking it. I think that's what they do over there in Japan. Yeah, no. When it cools down, that's what they do. So, hold on again. Just keep stirring. Does stirring cool it down? I mean, look at that. We're picking it up now. Still burning my fingers, but it's not too bad. Okay. Cheers. Oh. Hot. Fuego. Oh. You know, it tastes like restaurant quality miso soup. Yeah. So the thing is, every time you go to a Japanese restaurant, this is what they give you, right? One time I made one of these here with like a bigger bowl. I didn't know, right? Still learning all this. But I tried to taste it and I'm like, wait, where's all the flavor? What's going on here? Like, no, it can't be. It has to be like this size right here. And all the flavorings right there. So yeah, it's not watered down. But you know, you make mistakes like that and you learn. It's a learning process on how to prepare instant miso soup. What the hell? Halfway. I would give this a solid. Hold on. 8 out of 10. Yeah. The seaweed though is a little fishy. Yeah. Yeah. That tastes like the beach. You know when you're in the water and you accidentally swallow some water? Well, yeah. That's the seaweed. But no, other than that, it's 8 out of 10, and that's a pretty high scoring, huh, for me. I just wish there was like more green onion chives. That's what I'm really digging. But they give you so much seaweed here. Only a few pieces of tofu. As you can see from the picture on the package, it shows massive cubes of tofu. And if I can still find any tofu in here, is that? God, pick it. Oh, can you see it? Yeah. There we go. You can see it. Is that this? I mean, come on, hold on. There it is. I mean, look at that. This is a full-size cube. What is this? Yeah, see, that's they get you there, you know? False advertisement. I don't know how they are able to do that, but you know, that's how it sells, right? I mean, then again, this has been around since, hold on, what year again? 1662! When America wasn't even a country yet. Wow! I mean, geez, they've been drinking a lot of miso soup for many years now. That's why they're so healthy. That's why they go up to, what, 100 years old? Japan knows what they're doing. And luckily, since this is so healthy, it didn't even taste good. Wow. Usually when something is really healthy, it's like, nasty, right? No. This, no. Delicious. Es muy delicioso. Alright, the last sip. Here we go, cheers. Oh, wow. All the flavoring at the bottom. Done, completed. So anyways, I wonder if this would make a good chug video. Remember I used to make chug videos? That's on TikTok now. Here on YouTube we do more, right? We stepped above from the chugging videos. But yeah, I wonder if that would make a crazy video, especially when it's like boiling hot, chugging it. Oh god, extremely painful. Alright, well anyways, there you go. 8 out of 10, pretty tasty. Good job, Japan. Michael brand. There you go. Product of Japan. Takashima Suwashi, Nagano, Japan. Alright. Anyways, there we go. Big ups, everybody. This is the end of the video. We did it. 8 out of 10. So hit up my PayPal. Hit up my Venmo. Description down below. Thank you so much for everyone supporting my channel throughout the years and everything. Yeah, we're coming up to 7 years this February. So yeah, wow, 7 years. Sheesh, a long time. All right, we'll see you. NateVlog signing out. Didn't look like that. Wow.